Hello, welcome to Healthy Code. In this lesson we're going to talk about built-in types. As you can see on Microsoft site we have listed all the built-in types. On the right side we have .NET type and on the left side we have alias for that type. Pretty much both of them will work in code and you can use either of them. This is just shorter and alias stands for different name for something. For now, we don't need to learn all about different built-in types. As we progress through the course, we will go through each one and explain why they are good and when it's best time to use them. Okay, let's see the built-in types in practice and how do we use them. We use .NET 8. Okay, the project is loaded. Let's use first data type. First bool keyword is stand for built-in type. And as you can see when you hover, this represents a boolean and it can store true or false value. Is loaded is variable and it's used to store this value right here. As you can see, for boolean variable we only can use true or false. Anything beside that we will get compile error. If you try to do something like this, we will get error. It will say that we cannot convert type int to boolean. If you try something like this, we will again have an error. If you create another variable with integer type for something like this, we will be able to store actual number values. And if we try something like this, we will have compile errors. Okay, let's comment this out and this one too. The last one built-in type I want to talk about is double. Double is used to store decimal values, money in bank. We can use it to store decimal value. If we try to store that decimal value here, we will have again a compile error because we use integer only for whole numbers. Okay, now when we instantiated these variables, let's display them in console. To use code snippets, we're gonna use CW. And now we have console write line. We can use interpolation. We will talk about interpolation in the next video. We're just gonna display these variables right now. We can do something like this. Page status is loaded and number of pages are, we place that count variable there and they display money in bank dollars. So when we run this console application, these values from these variables will be replaced in runtime. So for this variable is loaded, we'll have value false. For this count we'll have value 1. And for this money in bank, 24.4. So let's see how that works. As you can see, page status is false and the number of pages are 1 and they display money in bank, 24.4. That would be pretty much everything for built-in types. In the next video, we're gonna talk about writing and reading from the console. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.